My name is Scott Collins, and I serve in a few roles here at the Smeal College of Business. I'm a clinical professor of accounting, where I teach a variety of courses at the undergraduate and graduate levels, and I also serve as the academic director for our one-year Master of Accounting program. The goal of the one-year Master of Accounting program is to provide you with the key knowledge and relevant skills that are needed to find success in today's accounting profession. Our program differentiates itself by providing direct access to Smeal's data analytics curriculum. And our program also excels in preparing students for the communication, critical thinking, and judgment skills that employers are expecting you to bring into the start of your career. The Smeal College of Business is uniquely qualified to offer this degree program to you. We're a world-class faculty operating in a state-of-the-art facility supported by a major research university. Companies that hire our graduate students know they're getting the best of the best, and our employment statistics bear this out as we have a very high placement rate at graduation. Almost all of our graduates pursue careers in the accounting profession, and a large percentage of our students end up working in public accounting. But we do have a history of placing students in careers that are peripheral to the accounting profession or at companies other than large public accounting firms. Please let us know if we can provide more information about where your career might take you after graduating from Smeal. One side note here, our one-year Master of Accounting program is not just aimed at accounting undergraduate majors. If your major of study is something other than accounting, then we can still offer you the opportunity to earn your Master of Accounting degree in as little as 12 months. Please let us know if this applies to you, and we'll be happy to provide more information. But for anyone who might be interested in our program, we do have a set of prerequisite courses that you'll need to complete prior to starting our degree program. These courses include intermediate financial accounting, which often comes in a 2-course sequence, intermediate managerial accounting, which is sometimes called cost accounting, individual taxation, and auditing. It's never too early to think about these prerequisites, so please contact us with any questions about the prerequisite courses, and we'll be happy to work with you to help identify courses at your university which meet our requirements. Next, I'd like to talk about how our program is structured. We're generally set up as a fall semester and spring semester program with an option to add a third summer semester if needed. I want to mention that a hallmark of our program is the inclusion of a requirement to complete a qualified internship in the field of accounting. This internship requirement is structured as a semester-long experience with the intention of helping to prepare you for your career after graduation. Securing the internship will be your responsibility if you're admitted into the program. But know that the full weight of Penn State University, the Smeal College of Business, and the accounting department at Smeal are here to support your efforts in securing a qualified internship. And it's important to note that we've had great success in getting our students in front of companies who are ready to offer you an internship. Companies that hire our students know they're getting the best of the best. So to finish up this point, the internship requirement is something that has become a signature part of our program as it helps to directly prepare you for the career you'll be entering after graduation. So back to how our program is structured. Our typical plan involves having you take courses in the fall and spring with a spring graduation date. This works well if you're bringing a qualified internship into the program. And I'm talking about folks who have completed a qualified internship after earning their undergraduate degree, but before starting our Master of Accounting program. For those folks, the plan is for fall coursework, then spring coursework, and then a spring graduation. But we also have an option for you to add a third summer semester if needed. This works well if you've not yet completed a qualified internship when you start our program. The plan here would be to complete fall coursework, then complete spring coursework, and then complete a qualified internship in the summer semester after completing your coursework. Folks pursuing this plan would then graduate at the end of their summer semester. But there's even another option available to you. We offer an opportunity during the spring semester to pursue a volunteer internship in our Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program. We call the program VITA for short. And a VITA internship counts as a qualified internship in our program. It's something that can be completed on top of your spring coursework. So, if you'd like to pursue a volunteer internship during the spring, and while you're enrolled in your spring coursework, then this option would keep you on track for a spring graduation date. More than a few students pursue this option, so it's something that does work. Okay, so hopefully our general program structure makes sense. Finally, I'd like to let you know just how much I truly believe in this program. Our one-year Master of Accounting program is so much more than just a series of courses. It's an experience, it's a cohort, it's about building lifelong friendships and contacts, and it's about preparing you for a strong start to a very distinguished career. We're confident that we can deliver on the goals that have been outlined in this video, and we're also confident that we can provide you with the critical knowledge and relevant skills that are needed to really hit the ground running in today's accounting profession. And we're especially confident that we can deliver these goals within the friendly environment at Penn State University and the Smeal College of Business. So, on behalf of the program, we're looking forward to more contact with you. Please don't hesitate to let us know how we can help.